Today, we're going to learn about the future with going to. Let's first revise a bit. In Unit 40, we studied the future with will. Remember, the future with will is used to give or ask for information or facts about the future, to make promises and for plans or decisions made at the time of speaking. For example, I will sell my car. In this sentence, I do not know exactly when I'm selling the car. But if I have already decided it, I would say, I am going to sell my car. I use I am, the first person simple of the verb to be, plus going to, plus an infinitive without the to. Remember to use contractions to sound more natural and say, I'm going to sell my car. Now, let's look at the future with going to indicate affirmative intention. The future with going to is used to say what we intend to do. Look at these examples in the affirmative. I'm going to get married in June. He's going to study medicine. She's going to come with us. We're going to have a drink. They're going to leave early. Now, let's look at the future with going to indicate negative intention. To form the negative with the future going to, you just need to add the word not after the verb to be. Let me give you an example. He is not going to study law. And with contraction, you would say, he isn't going to study law. Or, he's not going to study law. Remember, there are two forms of contractions with the verb to be in the negative. Look at these examples of the future with going to indicate negative intention. I'm not going to get married until June. She isn't going to come with us. They aren't going to leave till later. They're not going to come to the barbecue. They're vegetarians. And now we're going to learn how to make questions with this tense. Let's move on to the future with going to interrogative. Making questions with this tense is also very simple. Look. Is she going to come with us? You just need to put the verb to be in its conjugated form. In this case, is at the beginning of the sentence. Look at more examples of questions with the future with going to. When are you going to get married? What is he going to study? When are we going to have a drink? What time are they going to leave? We can also use the future with going to for predictions. You usually make predictions about possible events in the future based on what you see in the present. If you look out the window to check the weather, you could say, look at the clouds, it's going to rain. Or, it's a beautiful day, it isn't going to rain. Look at more examples with going to make predictions. It's 9 o'clock. I'm going to be late. Look out. You're going to hit your head. He's going to win the race. We're going to lose the match. They're going to be very tired tomorrow. Finally, let's look at some more examples of the future with going to. Look at these examples of the future with going to. We're going to get married in May. They're going to study English. I'm going to fly with British Airways. They're going to cause a lot of problems. He isn't going to speak to me until I apologize. Is he going to get up at 5 o'clock? If you haven't got an umbrella, you're going to get wet.